Yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. The Honorable Dean of Faculty of Cultures and Language, UIN Raden Mas Said, Profesor Dr. Imam Makhruf SAG MPD, the Honorable Head of English Literature Study Program, Mr. Robit Khairul Umam MHU, the Honorable Lecturers of English Literature Study Program, the respectable speaker, Mr. Kurniawan, Miss Christina Nicolik, and Miss Laksmi Priya, and all the audience. Welcome to International Seminar held by English Literature Department UIN Raden Mas Said Surakarta, bringing the topic, Can we really make money from language industry? First of all, let's send our gratitude to God the Almighty, who has been giving us mercy and blessing so we can attend this event in great and healthy condition. Ladies and gentlemen, this international seminar is an opening event for a chain of Hook and Hire webinar, which is aimed for bringing the awareness of opportunities ahead of us as graduates of English Literature Department. I am Adam Saputra, will be citing you as a master of ceremony today. First, allow me to share the agenda in this event. The first agenda is opening. The second agenda is Al-Quran recital by Yazid. The third is singing Indonesian national anthem Indonesia Raya. The next is opening remark by the head of English Literature Department, Dr. M. Zainal Muttaqi, MHO, who will also open the event officially. And then our main agenda presentation by our three speakers, which will be led by Mr. Wildi Adila as moderator. The last agenda is closing. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to the first agenda, which is the opening. Let's start our agenda today by saying Basmalah together. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. May Allah bless us and this event can run well. Amin. For the second agenda, I would like to call upon Mr. Yazid, who will recite the Holy Quran. To Mr. Yazid, time is yours. The third is singing Indonesian national anthem, Indonesia Raya. All the audience, please stand up. The next is opening remarks that will be delivered by the head of Letters Department, Dr. M. Zainal Muttaqi, MHO, who will also open the event officially. To Bapak Muttaqi, the time is yours. Thank you, Bapak Muttaqi, for the inspiring speech. May we all get the most of this event. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the main agenda, which will be led by our moderator, Mr. Wildi Adila. Mr. Wildi Adila is one of lecturer at the English Literature Study Program, teaching English skills and linguistics course. Without further ado, I would like to hand over the wheel to Mr. Adila. Time is yours. Thank you, Mr. Wildi, for leading the very interesting discussion. I believe all of the participants of the seminar have grasped the important points, which were beautifully concluded. Last but not least, on behalf of the committee, I want to thank you all for the kind attention and enthusiasm in following the World Agenda. Stay healthy. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.